mom, sir. I am Joanna Marie Junior Porte. I am 34 years old. I am currently here in Philippines. I am married, but now I am a single mother of three. Their ages 13, 12, and 3. I am a high school graduate and Catholic, and I'm also a Catholic. I have experience working as a domestic helper. My last experience is in Malaysia. I work there as a caregiver and I taking care of an elderly age 62 and she is sick. I worked them for only 9 months since August 20 to 2023 to May 20, 2024. My employer decided me to buy a ticket and go in Philippines because her mom is already passed away. I also have experience working in Qatar and I also taking care of a newborn baby. But it's only for 1 year because my employer decided me to go back Philippines with the other maid because his wife have a depression. I decided to work in Hong Kong because of a high salary and I want to give a better future of my kids and I am a single mother. I want to finish my house also. I am not fluent in English but I understand English. I am capable taking care of an elderly and a newborn baby. I also wash clothes, clean house and I can cook also. I am trustworthy person, hardworking and a lot of patience, honest, and I love playing with kids. I can follow your rules and regulations inside your house. I can do my work in time. I hope you choose me not based on my length of experience, but the things that I capable to do. I am excited to work with you. I hope you choose me and give me a chance. Thank you and have a great day, Mom, sir.